the snake.
They're so cute. Look, she ran into the table. Etienne was hiding from her. She found you.
See, she starts singing.
Etienne, don't whip her. She's smaller than you. Oh, is she gonna belt the little teddy bear in? Put a seatbelt on. Put the seatbelt on the bear. You want him to be safe.
Mommy.
Yeah.
There's a dead cockroach.
What?
A dead
Tell
cockroach.
your mom that.
Dead cockroach.
Well, that's what the cleaner people are for.
She was swinging at me. The snake's gonna
You gotta be careful, Etienne.
Get the snake, get the snake.
You get him, girl. Get him, Ariane. Get him. Go get him. Go get him. That looks so cute. Whoops.
Oops, get up.
Be careful. Don't step on her hands.
Get up, come on.
That looks so cute. Hiya. Did she watch Kung Fu Panda much?
She's seen it. I think they did it. I don't know if it was the first time, but she's
I'm
seen
from the lot.
Get him, Ariane. Get him. She's gonna sleep good when she gets home.
She'll get a pillow and she starts trying to swing at to swing at her too.
Etienne, give her hugs. Give hugs. You forgot to give her a hug.
Give me a hug.
Go give her hugs.
Baby, give him a
Etienne,
hug.
give her hugs, Etienne.
Get up.
Get up.
Girl always does that at my house.
What's
Just
that?
goes to my room, just gets them off. Come here. Get up.
Oh, I saw. No, you didn't. Come on, get up. Get up right now.
Etienne, don't be saucy.
Right now, now.
Etienne, tell her please.
Please.
Say pretty please.
Bless you. Bless you.
Ew, yeah. Come on.
Aww. They look so cute. Wee.
Yeah.
Put your, no, that's the wrong foot. Wrong foot. Nope.
Try to
Nope.
catch
Nope.
this.
Yeah.
Try to catch this. Try to catch me.
Be good, Etienne. Don't whip it. What if you hit her in the head?
Go. My snake.
Etienne, share.
I want it.
Come here. You got the bear. Look, you got the bear.
You got the bear, right? She got.
You can have both. Let him have one. There.
There you go. Etienne, don't hit her in the head.
There's your shoes.
Try to catch this. Haha. The bear would do.